got home, it was a base that said, we go back to our family altar, we have our children together, we can speak our language, and we encourage each other, because at work, it was very difficult for me because I was working with arrogant people who didn't think they can learn anything from an African. So I ended up saying, you might not recognize me, but I have a home, I have a husband and children who cherish me. And we had to adjust also to the level of finances, the level of, life was hard. I don't want to lie. But what helped us was to have a go at it. When you have a goal,